What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Maestro Sniper bot on Telegram. Now to do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And I'll also provide the link in description for this bot as well, as there are a lot of scam bots right now and it's best to use the authenticated one and avoid losing any of your funds. Well, coming back to the video, once we're done with that, we'll hit the start button or simply type /start and it will show you this message right here. In order to access the board, we need to follow these two channels of this Maestro Sniper board. Once you follow them, it will show you this message right here. After that, simply go and type in /sniper and it will show you this kind of message that you have been authorized the access, and after that you'll be able to use the board. Simply go and type in /sniper and it will show you this kind of options and menu popping up right here. Once you do that, simply go and click on this wallet button right here. Select a chain you want to trade on. For example, here I'll select Solana. And if you haven't generated a wallet yet, you can go and click on this generate wallet button and it will generate a wallet for you. What you can do is use that wallet address to put Solana into your Maestro Sniper board and use it for trading. And once we're done with that, we'll go and see how to edit some of the settings for this board. Click on this configure button and it will show you these two options, map protection and degen mode. We're gonna leave them as they are. Click on the buy option right here in order to configure your buying settings. Once you click on it, you will see tons of options popping up in front of you, starting with these three known as confirm trade buy, auto buy, and duplicate buy. Now the ones that are useful to us are confirm trade buy and auto buy. Now the confirm trade buy option is when you want your bot to confirm the trade, and the auto buy option is that the bot will automatically buy according to yours settings, and the duplicate buy option is used when you want to buy the same token multiple times. So let's have a look at all of these settings. We can start with maximum market cap because minimum market cap I don't use that option. So you can go and click on this maximum market cap option, and we want the market cap to be set for our board minimum as $100,000. So simply type that amount and hit the send button and it will set that amount for your board. And we can further go and set up minimum liquidity and we can set it. Let's go and reply to this message and it will show you after you click on the option. So we'll set it, for example, $25,000. So we will update that as well, and the option here is the same as before. And below you will see this gas delta option. Well, the gas is basically the gas amount, but the gas delta option is specifically for Ethereum users. So you can set this up as low as 5%. So it will simply go and update that. So you will find the slippage amount and price spec alerts to edit. Well, you can edit these settings according to your preference because it totally depends upon what you want to buy and how you want to trade using this board. So you can set these settings for your board and you can utilize it in the best way possible. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.